Hello again, this is Robert Schein, Managing Director and Partner of Blanke Schein Wealth Management. Today is June 15th, 2020, and we're doing a video update for everyone today, so I appreciate everyone watching. We keep in mind to like and subscribe and share this with friends and family. You know, we believe here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management that information is power. That's why we're dedicated to daily updates. Our goal is to provide our clients, friends, and family with real-time, relevant, market-related information. There's so many headlines out there that it's hard to make heads or tails or sense, ultimately financial sense, of what we should be paying attention to. So our goal is to make certain that you have the relevant information that markets are paying attention to as it relates to how we manage portfolios. And our process is to create smart and purposeful financial decisions that improve your life, your family's life, and the quality of your community around you. So let's get into our 3 topics today, and thanks for watching. So our first topic today, a headline, is the second wave coming? You know, we don't know for sure. In fact, we're going to let the science prevail here. But I tell you one thing, the dire headlines that are coming out as it relates from the media aren't helping anything because it's clouding the judgment, if you will. But I think the market's gapped down this morning, opened up over 700 points down, but actually crawled all the way back and erased that 700-point loss in the middle of the trading day to bounce back to actually positive. So markets are looking through those headlines. In fact, in news, there's reports in the journals today that there's headline fatigue, negative headline fatigue. I reported this on Friday, but it's persisting. In fact, the media has had all-time high viewership while we were in the lockdown, in quarantine, if you will. And as we're getting out and going about our lives slowly and properly in the right form, if you will, across the United States, and some are ahead versus others, media is losing their grip on sort of us paying attention. And why that's important? Well, you know, more cases, more testing equals more cases. And think about this. On Friday, we tested over 600,000 people in the United States, which is an all-time new record. So as our testing increases, so do our cases ultimately increase. But the numbers that the U.S. reported yesterday actually are important because they're positive in terms of the direction we want the virus to go. So yesterday, lowest number of COVID deaths since March 26th. Yesterday also reported across the United States the lowest number of hospitalizations since April 3rd. Yesterday was reported the lowest number of ICUs since April 5th, as well as lowest number of ventilators since April 5th. This is across the United States, all of that information. So hopefully this is a trend that hopefully persists, and it's a positive trend. Again, more cases, testing equals more cases. But we want to watch the hospitalization. I think that's what the market has looked at today, and it's seeing through some of those headlines. So that's positive as we speak right now. Let's just hope the trend continues. My final topic is essentially just to watch the data. You know, we're seeing more people go through TSA. We're seeing more people pick up on roads and all of that high frequency data. That's all a net positive to the U.S. economy. We're seeing that around the world. We're also seeing it here in the United States. Again, we want to see if the second wave actually persists to be, hopefully we all pray that it's not what it's reported to be, but this is going to be an important factor. But the reality is that the U.S. economy is rebounding, and Treasury Secretary this weekend, Steve Mnuchin, said that he is not going to lock down or recommend to the governors of each state another sort of lockdown, if you will. So we know we have more testing on a daily basis. That means we have more cases. But ultimately, there is a rebound in all of the economic information. Of course, lowest lows that we've seen in years because it's a government mandated shutdown, but at least there's signs of life. So that's my update for today. Thanks for watching and looking forward to seeing you again next time.